Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to understand one of the most popular distance measuring sensors used in robotics and IoT, the HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor. This sensor measures distance without touching the object, using ultrasonic sound waves and the echo principle. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand the working principle, pin configuration, distance calculation, Arduino interfacing logic, and real-world applications. Let's begin. The HCSR04 is a low-cost ultrasonic distance sensor module. It works using sound waves at a frequency of 40 kHz, which is above the human hearing range. The sensor sends ultrasonic pulses into the air, and when these waves hit an object, they reflect back. The sensor measures the time taken for the wave to go to the object and return, and then calculates distance using that time. Now let's understand the module and its pins. The HCSR04 has 4 pins. VCC for 5-volt power supply, GND for ground, trig to start the measurement, and echo to output the time signal. The module also has 2 circular transducers. One is the transmitter, and the other is the receiver. The transmitter emits ultrasonic waves and the receiver captures the reflected waves. Let's look at the important operating specifications. The sensor typically works at 5 VDROs around 15 mA and supports a measuring range of approximately 2 cm to 400 cm. The sensing cone is around 15 degrees, so it detects objects that are within that field in front of the sensor. For most student projects and robots, this range and accuracy are more than enough. Now we come to the core working cycle. First, the microcontroller sends a 10 microsecond high pulse to the trig pin. This activates the sensor. Then the transmitter emits 8 ultrasonic bursts at 40 kHz. These waves travel through air at the speed of sound, which is approximately 343 meters per second at room temperature. If there is an object ahead, the waves reflect back and are detected by the receiver. As soon as the sensor starts sending waves, the echo pin becomes high. It stays high until the reflected wave is received. When the echo is received, the echo pin becomes low. So, the width of the high pulse on the echo pin represents the total travel time of the sound wave, going and coming back. Now let's calculate distance. The main formula is distance is equal to speed of sound times time, 2. We divide by 2 because the sound wave travels to the object and back, so the measured time is for the round trip. In Arduino projects, we often use this practical conversion. Distance in cm is equal to echo duration in microseconds times 0.03432. Here, 0.0343 cm per microsecond is derived from the speed of sound. Now, let's understand the interfacing connections with Arduino. Connect VCC to 5V GND to GND, trig to a digital pin, and echo to another digital pin. Many students use trig on pin 9 and echo on pin 10, but you can use other digital pins as well. In code, the logic is simple. Send a 10 microsecond pulse on trig. Measure the high time on echo using pulse-in. Apply the distance formula. Print the distance on the serial monitor or use it for control actions, like stopping a robot or triggering an alarm. Now let's talk about practical applications. The HCSR04 is used in obstacle detection and avoidance robots, smart parking systems to detect vehicle presence, water tank level measurement, object counting and proximity-based automation, basic security and intrusion detection projects. It is especially useful because it provides non-contact measurement and works well for solid objects. Before we close, keep in mind a few limitations. Ultrasonic sensors may show errors when the surface is soft or absorbs sound, like cloth or foam. The object is very small or angled, so reflection doesn't return to the receiver. There is strong airflow or temperature variation, since speed of sound changes with temperature. Still, for most educational and robotics projects, the HCSR04 performs very reliably. To conclude, the HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor is a simple and powerful tool to learn distance measurement, timing signals, and real-world sensing applications in embedded systems. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more lectures on IoT, sensors, and microcontrollers. Thank you, and see you in the next video.